Well, hello there YouTube. Today I have a really interesting project in front of me. This is a 2014 911 Turbo S, which has a TechArt GT3 RS body kit on it. And this particular vehicle was not finished by the previous shop. I gotta work on a couple of things. In particular, I gotta finish some trim work. As you can see, it's missing the trim pieces on top of this grill. This is a double-decker wing here, wasn't installed. Gotta figure out how to mount it because factory mounts were not included, so I gotta fabricate something, as well as pretty exciting stuff that I gotta do on this vehicle will be installing Fabspeed cut delete exhaust. As you know, Turbo S has an active aero. On this one, for whatever reason, the main drive is not working. I will need to disassemble it and see if I can fix it, or if I can't, I will need to replace it. And a couple of small stuff up front, like installing some small trim pieces, the fender liners and stuff like that, to kind of call this project complete. But in general, this vehicle looks amazing and I'm super pumped to work on it. Okay, the part one is over. As you can see, the rear bumper, the spoiler is off the car. So now, if I need to see what's wrong with this active aero drive, I gotta take it apart and see if I can fix it. Hopefully I can, because if I can't, this will need to be replaced. So as far as we can see, both sides are working just fine, which means that there's either a problem inside the gearbox or the motor is bad. I will need to test both of these. Alright, the problem with the active spoiler is solved. It was just a couple of wires that somehow got damaged. They were pinched. I don't know, was it because of the previous shop or whoever didn't assemble it the right way, and the wires on the left tower were damaged. So as you can see, I didn't record it, I just took a couple of pictures. I resoldered everything and now everything is working. The only thing that is left to do is I will need to recalibrate the spoiler, but at least it does work. So this problem is solved. So now I gotta move on to the exhaust system of this vehicle. I'm gonna be removing the entire intercooler assembly on the left, and most probably I'm gonna be doing same on the right. Okay, as we can see, the headers are off the car, both sides. We can see side by side comparison of the headers, and we can see the difference, and it will most definitely give a car a little bit improvement in the performance, as well as it will change the sound. Alright, so here how everything looks now. Header is installed, both sides. As you can see, everything is attached to the engine block, to the turbo. Same on this side. It looks really awesome. Next one, I'm gonna be installing the muffler first. Attach muffler with the straps where it belongs. Alright, quick update. So I just finished the whole installation of the exhaust. Intercoolers are back, heat shield, cut the lead pipe, muffler, this attachment for the tip, everything is installed. Oxygen sensors, as you can see, everything is back. Headers, these straps are going wherever the factory location is. So far I'm really liking what I see. It seems to be a really good product. The Fabspeed, again, I'm not sponsored whatsoever. Now it's time to assemble everything back and see the final result. So wheels are back on the car, fender liners both sides, they are installed, as you can see right here. Everything is where it should. Wheels were tightened to the specs, and now it's time to take the car off the jack stands and the jacks. Alright, this car is ready for its first start with the new exhaust system. So I'm gonna just pull this 992 outside the garage for now, and then we can hear the first cold start.